All right, now you are going to complete a practice job application. So in Schoology, I'm already in the Getting a Job folder, and you'll come to Job Application, and then you'll click this link. And I know it'll open a little bit different on your guys' Chromebooks than mine, but hopefully you can come to open with and then just use DocHub. If DocHub is not here, you can always do the Connect More apps, but we just need something that's going to allow us to type into the PDF. Your other route that you might have to go on your Chromebooks is simply downloading it here and then kind of opening it like you would anything else that you download. But I'm going to go ahead and open mine with DocHub. And so mine is already partially filled out, but I will use the text, and then I'm simply clicking in where I need to type in my information. And so I'm just going to go through each box and do that. Now, if there's something that you don't have information for, like you don't have anything to put on that part of the application, please do not leave it blank. Put in NA for non-applicable. And like on this work experience one, I don't need to put it in every box. Once it's in the first box, then I know, okay, that person has no information to put there. Probably same thing with education. Most of you, I think, when we did resumes, just have superior to put down. Here's resume or reference information. Remember, you don't want to put down any peers or family. Choose somebody else. And then just a few other things to do here. And then you should be able to use this signature feature to put your signature on there. Then when you are done, you're going to come up to these 3 lines. You will download this completed application, and then you'll be able to come back to Schoology and submit it over here on the right side.